So there's a script I've been meaning to write for quite a while, and I basically just barely did it today before I went to stream. So I've had a text file, actually, let me pull that up, that I've been pulling basically, it's in documents actually. Is it? Oh, it's in here. So this file I've basically been pulling, all my Copypasta stuff from because it's for descriptions and for like shilling my stream and whatnot. And for a while I've been like, well, I should really incorporate that into like a Dmenu script so that I can have easy access to it whenever I need it, so that I don't have to always open up a text editor or something like that to access it. I can just simply access it and things like that. So after like so much time of not doing it, I finally did it. And so basically, I when I came up with it, I first came up with this one where it has a selection because for my use case, it's basically I've been using it for descriptions and shilling my stream and other like across everywhere. So it makes it easy to copy paste and whatnot. So this is what I started off with. Then after I finished up with it, it's like if I want to expand it, I have to do that manually because I'm already referencing different like text files in a copypastas folder. So if I go to config, I chose config because it seemed to like make sense. I mean, I guess it could be changed to cache, but so yeah, basically you go into .config, your whatever config folder, and in your copypastas, and it has now these two separate files in here that I can reference and copyright. It'll pull from. So it basically takes that file and it copies it straight into the clipboard here using xclip. And so I've got like the stream shilling one and the description one. And so I've got it currently bound to Super Shift C. So it asks you which pasta do you want, and then it goes from there. So then I thought about it. It's like, okay, if I want to share it and make people's lives easier, I have to make it like simpler. And so I basically stole the same concept that I used back with when I did my Dmenu script for running like various Doom source ports. And this actually like knocked it down significantly. So now I've only got the selection here. I could actually slap this like this part right in here in the parentheses, like right in front in place of the end there. So yeah, if we go and V and D, well, I could have done delete end of line. So we go to the end of line, beginning, change. Okay. Let's do this right. And then we paste that in there. And basically what this should do is allow us to run it without issue. So now we can exit out of that. And so I've already got it set up. So now what it does is in that folder right there where I've got these two files, I can now pop it open, and now it shows the file names rather than what I would manually write before, and then it pulls from it. Then I can, if I go into some normal text editor, I can now paste those links in. And so that basically simplifies my life because everything I need is a short like clip away. And if I want to expand more or change anything, I can simply change the files in here without too much issue now. So now I can have like my stream shilling links and my description links list easily accessible. And if I really wanted to, I could further expand it by adding functionality that would insert like my description at the top or whatever blurb I wanted to say at the top. And I could use that, which I may do down the road. But right now, the state it's in is just fine. And this is actually simple enough that those people that have like, for those of you that are like on your constant chats and everything, and you've got those copypastas that you want easy access to, you can now have a copypasta folder and a Dmenu script that, you can use to access it. Because what I've done is I've taken the script in its old fashion. So let me, hey, let me edit it, buddy. Edit. So we're editing live. I want cut. And then paste. And now, and now we've got a simple script that you can go and download. And I have put it under the WTFPL because it's like one of those really small things that really doesn't matter. But it's kind of part of like the setup that I have. And I know Bugswriter just put out a video like, oh, show off your setup. I've done this like a number of times. And I mean, I figure why not take advantage of it for a little bit more showcasing, because I know I've shown off a couple of these extra other scripts on my channel that I've put together and like used, like the Dmenu forever ago and everything else like that. So, I mean, if you guys find this helpful, if this helps you like spam up someone's stuff a lot easier, then go ham with it. I really don't care. It's one reason why it's under WTFPL is because I really can't control what you do with it. So, do what you want. Go have fun, enjoy it, and the Discord links, chat links, like all kinds of that stuff is, well, gonna, be in the description. This very same, this very same bit of links that, come on, buddy, that, you're used to. Exact same thing that's going to be in the description. Check it out. Also, if you ever need web hosting, the links are down there too. Really helps me out, and I will see you guys later.